Hello. Thank you for stopping by. I'm happy to give you a tour of Friday Canvas, your personal assistant. When you first arrive at the dashboard, it will invite you to list your first project. It could be anything: a building project, vacation anniversary, wedding plans, garden plans, a research project, etc. We are going to use vacation plans for our first project and then press Open WorkZone and get started. When you first open the WorkZone, you will see Vacation and First Session at the top. Below that is a tiny lighthouse. This space, next to our beacon lighthouse, is for your inspiration. It can be a quote, a dream, a piece of poetry, whatever encourages you in this project. Under the beacon space, put in your session title. This is just for this session. We will use Going to the Maldives. Below, where it says Begin Here, you start typing your beginning notes for the project. You will see above that there is a button to use voice dictation. Make sure your microphone is on. I have created a list of things I need to start in preparation for the vacation. Now, I highlight them and add them to the subcategory panel. In this case, I'm going to add to plans. Later, I can click on one of the subcategories in the panel and it will open, and I can share, print, export, or delete them. Next to that voice button is a tab for inserting any files or images that you want to keep a record of in this project. Press the Insert button and upload whatever file you want to upload. Or add dates to your calendar. As you add projects, they show up individually on your dashboard. Just click and you are back in your work zone. Your information is never lost. In the archive maybe, but never just gone. If you can't find it, just ask your AI assistant. Now the good part. Your personal assistant, Friday, can answer any question you have at any time. You can type it or ask out loud, "Hey Friday." Friday is your AI assistant, yours alone. No one can access your Friday Canvas information or the information from your AI assistant. When you are working in Friday Canvas, in the dashboard or work zone, you can use the assistant or simply turn it off. All of your data from Friday Canvas is stored in Supabase in industry standard encryption. No one can read your files. Your projects are just that, yours. Friday Canvas is an easy app, here to help you, not make your life harder. All your projects in one place, one login, all your devices, no downloads, cloud-based. Try Friday Canvas free today. No credit card, no download. Like we said, easy.